Good morning, student or learners. It is the fifth class on issue of shares. Class number fifth on the topic issue of shares related to company accounts for class 12. One problem is mentioned in the right hand side of the board. It is oversubscription as well as pro rata allotment. Oversubscription and pro rata allotment problem is King and Queen Limited invited application for rupees 20,000 share of rupees 10 each payable as follows. On application 3 rupees per share, on allotment 2 rupees per share, on fast call 2.5 rupees per share, and final call 2.5 rupees per final call. Public applied because the company is asking application, they are inviting application from the public. It is a public issue for 20,000 share, but public applied 30,000 shares for 30,000 shares. The company allotted the share on pro rata basis. That means for category applications for 18,000 shares, that means application for X, Y, Z, A, B, C and X, Y, Y, Z and others. Someone has applied for 100, one may be for 1,000, one may be for 50. Such type of application we have taken in a basket, and it is and clubbing up all these 8,000 shares. All of the applicant got share from the company, that is 1:1 ratio they are getting the share. The second category 16,000 shares application. Someone is applied 2,000 on 500 or 1,000. This such type of another category 16,000 application is taken there, not simply 1,000 application. Number of application may be 20, 25, 30, 100, whatever may be, but their request of of share for purchasing from the companies is 16,000 shares. That is, company is allotting 12,000 for 12,000 shares for this category. For first category, company is issuing 8,000 share and in 1:1 ratio, and to the second category of the application 16,000 shares allotted, 30,000 applicant got share for 12,000 shares, and the application for 6,000 shares is rejected. There is no allotment for them. You are requested to prepare the journal entries, and it is assumed that all money is received in due time. Journal entries as well as prepare balance sheet as per Company Act 2013 under Schedule 3 Part 1. Now, first of all, we have made here the calculation of pro rata. Now, pro rata part we are now completing as a workings. So, at the end of the journal or at the end of the balance sheet, we will write the workings. Calculation of pro rata applied for 8,000 shares, issued 8,000 shares, and ratio 1:1. Application and allotment ratio. Ratio means applicant is to allotment 1:1. This type of is 8,000 share. In the second category, what is second category? 16,000 shares applicant, 60,000 shares applicant got 12,000 shares, that is equal to 16:12 equal to 4:3. That means there is 4,000 excess application and excess application money, excess application money. How much? Equal to 4,000 into 3 equal to 12,000. And third category, their application is rejected and it is 6,000. No allotment made, so no questions of ratios. So total is 30,000, allocation 20,000. It is the calculation of pro rata. In this category, no excess application money. In this category, they have got share. Who has applied for share got, that is, a person is applied or applicant applied for 400 share is getting 300 share. Application for 4,000, if anyone, he or she is getting 3,000 shares. And the third category is 6,000 application, they have not got any share. Now we are passing the journal on the basis of the information provided in the right hand side of the board. First we should write what? In the books of King and Queen Limited. King and Queen Limited, that is journal, and that is date, that is particulars. Next is ledger folio, then amount, it is rupees debit, and amount, it is rupees credit. Now you are starting the journal. We have got application. How much? We have got application for 30,000, but company is issuing only 20,000. First of all, we have to receive the money. Pass the entry fast. Bank account debit, bank account debit to share application account, share application account, application money, money received on 30,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share, that is equal to 30,000 into 3 equal to 90,000 is application money. That means we have excess application money of rupees. How much? 30,000. We are getting 30,000 excess application money. Then bank account debit to share application money, it is 90,000. Now, next entry, share application account debit to how much? 90,000 entire amount. To share capital, how much? 20,000 into 3, that is 60,000. Then excess money we are retaining for 4,000. That means we are transferring to share allotment account. We are taking in advance or transferring in advance, that is equal to 4,000 into 3 equal to 12,000. and we are refunding the bank account equal to how much? Bank account is what? 6,000 into 3 equal to 18,000. Total is, that means the excess money on the pro rata allotment, they are getting share but on the pro rata basis. They have a excess money of rupees 12,000. You can transfer it to share allotment account or calls in advance account. Calls in advance account. Next entry, then due entry for allotment, then share allotment account debit to share capital equal to what is the amount? 20,000 into what is the rate for this? Rupees 2, that is 40,000. That is 40,000. The next entry we are doing now, the bank account debit. How much? Bank account debit. Then we have already got 12,000. So 40 minus 12 equal to 28,000. 28,000 bank account debit to share to what? That is share, that means share allotment account debit we have already credited by 40,000. So only now do the share allotment by rupees. By rupees only 28,000. That means debit is 40 and credit is 12 plus 28. Third entry, share first call account debit to share capital account. How much? That is 20,000 into 2.5 equal to 50,000. That is 50,000. And we are getting the money due on due date duly. Then bank account debit to share first call account, then 50,000, then 50,000. Now next entry, final call account debit to share capital 20,000 into 2.5 equal to 50,000. Then next call for bank account debit to final call account rupees 50,000. It is the journal entries is now over, and balance sheet will be prepared in the next slot, that is in the next class. All are requested to adhere this class, means they should attend the class in the next session, then section 6. Thank all of you.